Hello everyone. Today let's go over a sequel to a Grind 75 question. This is number 637. It's an easy question and it's called the average of the levels in the binary tree. So as you can see, it's similar to level order traversal and you can solve it using a very similar approach. So use BFS like before, but instead of getting all the nodes at each level, just take the sum of the nodes divided by the length of the nodes and return a floating point number, it seems like. So cool, so let's use the same approach. Let's set up our BFS as before, set up define a queue, sorry, and then append the root node, so that's going to be 3. And then keep running the BFS until you visit all nodes in the tree. Create a list for each level to be cleared so that we don't get duplicates. Get the node at the left because we append a root. This is not a number, this is a tree node object, right? So we have to check if it's not none, because if it's none, it has no value. And we're going to append the value if it is not none. And then we're going to put 9 on the back of the list and then put 20 at the back of the list. So in the next iteration, as mentioned before, when we pop left, then we are just going to get 9 and 20, right? Because the array looks like this. Pop left means from this direction instead of normally from this direction. And then if level exists, meaning the length of this is bigger than 0 because we have actual values that are not none, right? Then we can append the sum of the level divided by the length of the level, okay? And let's print the result to see. We do this for every single level. And we just return result at the end. All right, so floating point number, Python doesn't do floor division. This is standard division. If you had 5 divided by 2, this would give you 2.5, versus if you did 5 divided by 2, that would just give you 2 in Python, right? So yep, so hopefully every line here makes sense to you. And we're going to keep running this until we visit each node once, no duplicates, because of the way the tree is structured. We're only going to add nodes once that are not in the deck already, right? So as you can see, it works and it passes all test cases. And hopefully this made sense. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.